Hi guys, it is February 4 of 2025. 12:15 na. And samahan nyo akong site visit. Ayun. Punta tayo ng site. Aking usual na outfit kasi puro dirty ano lang naman doon. Dami nangyayari. Tanghali na. Break time nila ngayon. 12 to 1. So, ng 1 p.m. And coding din ako. Start na. Going na sa site. Guys, andito na tayo sa site. Resume na nung kanilang trabaho. So, ngayon, oversee ko lang kung okay yung ginagawa nila. So, oversee lang tayo. And, actually, hindi ko muna masyadong papakita sa inyo lahat kasi para rin na ma-surprise kayo sa pinaka-finished product. So, lang muna ako mag-see. Yung ano lang. Wait lang kailangan ko mag-makeup. Wait lang. Okay, ito na. Mukha ko lang muna yung papakita ko. Kuya, tawag dito, sinabihan ako ni Sir John. Nagtatanong ka raw ng kung saan daw i-place ang vertifruit. So, up, ganon. Si Nilo nag-drawing. Si Nilo hindi natapos. Ito ba? Ito yung ceiling pa, yung yellow, di ba? Yung yellow. Yung yellow.
Ito bagong yun.
Okay na. Next week na yung opening nun eh. Okay na ha. Salamat. Kuya Taho, So I'm on my way at the opening of my turnover commercial project at Caloocan City. It is a pet shop supplies na venture ng aking long-time client. So, andito na tayo. So, ito yung facade niya. Then, very accessible siya kasi malapit lang siya across UE. So, makikita mo siya agad. Design request wanted to have more storage space for stocks, playful light tone color schemes, and very practical finishes since first store pa lang niya. So I use pastel colors for the color theme and incorporate the color scheme with the existing logo. I use more of paints, mural as accent, and dog and cat elements for this shop. By the way, if you have inquiries, kindly visit my IG page and click this ID package. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!